How to fix Facebook Messenger not working on iOS 17 on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. If not, you can also switch between networks, that is, if you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular, and if you are using cellular, switch to Wi-Fi. Next, open App Store and tap on the search bar there and search for Messenger and make sure the Messenger application is updated to its latest version. If not, go ahead and update the app further. Next, go ahead and restart your device, as a simple restart can help you fix majority of minor issues on your device. See if your issue is fixed or not. If not, launch the settings application on your device and tap on General and then on Software Update. Make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version of iOS. The latest version is crucial in maintaining optimal performance. In general, again tap on iPhone storage and then on Messenger. Go ahead and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will help in clearing the cache in the app. So, this is how you can fix Facebook Messenger not working in iOS 17 on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.